MiraPotentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, your didakin natin today is more than a gift. Yung Bible verse niya is from Matthew 10 verse 39. Whoever finds this life will lose it, and whoever loses life for my sake will find it. So, ang ating storyteller is si Sis Michelle Sabugo. So, ang story niya is about yung dad niya. So, when she was young, yung dad niya would usually bring pasalubong like donuts. So, parang she's happy that kahit na tired or galing sa work si dad niya is may dala siyang pasalubong for them. No? For after school, di ba, they have their merienda. So, she remembers the one who sacrificed himself for us, died and rose again. So, sino ba yan? Di ba? Si Jesus Christ. Today's Gospels calls for constant dying to oneself, carrying our cross, and surrendering our desires to follow Him. So, friend, life is a continuous challenge, continuous offering yung life natin to others or to the Lord, just like the Lord, what the Lord did for us, no? So sabi nga ni Sis Michelle, follow Jesus' footstep. Find the best possible life. The truth to what's true and lasting. We will find happiness and freedom. So, friend, alam natin, our day-to-day challenges is not easy, but yun nga, having surrender or faith or trust in the Lord will give us that everlasting and free life. So, let's decide to follow Him, confident in the promise that He will reward will be great in heaven. So, ano ba yung reflection natin today? It is wonderful what miracles God works in the wills that we are utterly surrendered to Him. He turns hard things to easy and bitter things to sweet. It is not that He puts everything to be placed in the place of the hard, but He actually changes the hard things into an easy one. So, yun. We are fortunate if that's the situation na yung mga hard things goes into easy one. So, ano ba yung prayer natin? Lord, may I follow wherever you lead me. So, stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.